Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, November 5th, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, I did not want to do this video. This is really late. I would, I just, I'd rather stand on my head than do this video, but I'm going to do it. Anyway, you can see here what happened. I'll talk about the Dow. The Dow went up 191 points today. I think this is a pretty good move. This chart looks pretty good to me. I would have loved to have seen it taken out the highs from Friday, but it did not show much of a tendency to want to sell off today. I think the market's pretty nervous about the elections. I don't want to get political, but yeah, I think if the Democrats get any control at all of the government, it could be very rough on the stock market. But we'll just have to see. Anyway, elections are tomorrow. I'll be glad to see them out of the way, and we might get more, a better idea where we're going. But I'm still saying that I think the correction, we've seen the bottom in the correction. That's still my prediction based on this action. Okay, now the bad news. I mean, this is just horrible. This is trading pornography, and some of this is my fault. We came in with 4 positions today. They were all negative from Friday, but they just really totally went to hell today, and we ended up closing out just over $13,000 in losing trades. We did not need that. But the thing that really has got me upset, I redid the portfolio last Wednesday, and I could have put it out right away. It was the end of the month, and we're having all that wild action at the end of the week last week, and I just wanted to give a couple extra days to check things out before I put the new portfolio out. It was a big mistake. Every one of these 4 positions that cost us over $13,000 were stocks that I had removed from the portfolio or intended to remove from the portfolio last Wednesday or Thursday, and if they would have been out, we wouldn't have had these losses. It's as simple as that. I left them in there, and they just killed us. Anyway, they are all out of the portfolio now, but it's a day late, and that's really too bad. As far as what happens today, we got into just a few positions. I forgot to count them, but just a few positions. But we're still negative $4,700 in open trade equity, and that's driving me crazy. That is the new portfolio that's doing that to us. So all around, really bad. We had, well, I'll give you an idea. Okay, this is, we had a couple good trades today in the energy sector. This is SWN, which is a Southwestern Energy company, and we bought this. Nice pullback here on the buy. It kept going, closed there near the high. We got $2,300 in that. That's real good. And we got another good one in UGAZ, which is the natural gas bull, and that's up, $2,500. So these were pretty good trades. Let me show you what didn't go right. I mean, this is just hideous. This is a new stock, and it's Blink Charging Company. It's in our portfolio because it has very good performance. It did not have good performance today. It opens lower, it goes up here, does this little spike, it gets us in almost at the high of the day, and then sells off all day. And we are down $5,800 in that thing, and it's not over yet. So I'm just pulling out my hair. As I say, some of this was my fault. Some of it, and yet I honestly I don't feel that these are really necessarily bad markets. We're just really having some bad luck and made some bad decisions on when to switch over this portfolio. Anyway, I'm not happy. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll be back here tomorrow on Tuesday.